supposed to be a bond hearing today, Amanda and Brent. Good afternoon, everyone. That happened at 2 o'clock, but it actually wasn't a bond hearing. You see, the state had filed a motion today for revocation of Fotis Dulos' bond, but they never really dove deep into that subject matter.
His medical condition is dire.
A Stamford judge ordered rearrest of Fotis Dulos because he didn't appear for the scheduled bond hearing today and raised bond on the murder charge to $6.5 million. But
we have agreed that he can be in rearrest status when and if he is capable of returning to court.
And the court indicated it's open to hearing the defense's motion to vacate the rearrest.
In other words, that will return the clock to where it is. The state will not seek an increase in bond.
And if Dulos survives, the two sides will address the bond revocation motion filed by the state,
including the claim that there is inadequate security to hold the bond.
And Ira Judelson, a high-profile bail bondsman from New York, has been secured by the defense.
I've done Dominic Strauss-Kahn out of New York. I'm on the Harvey Weinstein case now. I wrote the Antonio Brown bail just recently in Florida. I've dealt with Lawrence Taylor. I've dealt with Ja Rule.
Norm Pattis says he won't speculate as to why Dulos tried to take his life yesterday, but he indicated he does blame himself, in part, for what happened.
A lawyer's commitment is to be a shepherd to his client and to walk them through the valley of the shadow of death. And sometimes you make a call where you think your client is self-destructive, that is based on the best judgment that you can see. I saw nothing that led me to believe that, and so I look back and wonder what I missed.
Certainly Norm Pattis, emotional, to say the least, today out here in front of the courthouse after that very brief hearing. He said if his bond had been revoked today, he would have automatically been in the custody of the state of New York because that's where he's being treated right now. And if that had happened, his family would have had a very difficult time gaining access to him, his family coming in from Greece tonight. We're live here in Stamford. Tony Terzi, Fox 61 News.